Question 1. Laplace transform of ft equals e to the power a t is a. 1 divided by s minus a for real part of s greater than a. b. 1 divided by s plus a. cs divided by s minus a. d. None. Answer. A. 1 divided by s minus a for real part of s greater than a. Question 2. Region of convergence depends on a. the time domain signal and its causal or non-causal nature. b. only on magnitude of s. c. always entire s-plane. d. none. Answer. A. the time domain signal and its causal or non-causal nature. Question 3. Fill in the blank. The Laplace transform of the derivative d by dt of ft is sf s minus dash. Answer. F of 0 minus. Question 4. Which of the following is the Laplace transform of u t minus a? A e to the power minus as divided by s. b. 1 divided by s. c. e to the power as divided by s. d s e to the power minus s. Answer. A. e to the power minus as divided by s. Question 5. True or false? Two different time signals can have the same Laplace transform if the ROC differs. A. True. B. False. Answer. A. True. Question 6. Fill in the blank. The inverse Laplace transform is usually performed by partial fractions and dash. Answer. Lookup tables and convolution. Question 7. Transfer function h is equals v out of s divided by v in of s depends on a. initial conditions only. b. system parameters and s. c. input magnitude only. d. time only. Answer. B. system parameters and s. Question 8. For a causal system, the region of convergence lies to the right of the rightmost pole. A. True. B. False. Answer. A. True. Question 9. Fill in the blank. The Laplace transform of cosine omega t is dash. Answer. S divided by s square plus omega square. Question 10. The final value theorem states a. limit as t approaches infinity of ft equals limit as s approaches 0 of sf's under stability conditions. b. initial value equals limit as s approaches infinity of sf's always. c. both a and b under proper conditions. d. none. Answer. C. both a and b under proper conditions. Question 11. Fill in the blank. Bilateral Laplace transform differs from unilateral by dash. Answer. Integration limits. Question 12. Which is used to handle initial conditions easily in circuit analysis? A. Fourier transform. B. Laplace transform using unilateral form. C. Static algebra. D. Ellipse method. Answer. B. Laplace transform using unilateral form. Question 13. True or false, convolution in time domain corresponds to multiplication in S domain? A. True. B. False. Answer. A. True. Question 14. Find the Laplace transform of t e to the power minus a t. A. 1 divided by s plus a whole square. B. 1 divided by s minus a whole square. C. S divided by s plus a whole square. D. S plus a divided by s square. Answer. A. 1 divided by s plus a whole square. Question 15. Fill in the blank. The transfer function poles determine dash. Answer: system stability and natural response. Question 16. True or false, partial fraction expansion is required when inverse transforming rational functions? A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question 17. Which of these is not a pole? A. Value of s making denominator 0. B. Singularities of transfer function. C. Zeros of numerator. D. Points of system natural frequency. Answer: C. Zeros of numerator. Question 18. Fill in the blank. For a circuit with initial inductor current Y0, its Laplace model includes dash. Answer: a source term due to initial current. Question 19. Which method simplifies solving ordinary differential equations in circuits? A. Time domain Euler method only. B. Laplace transform method. C. Graphical method only. D. Trial and error. Answer: B. Laplace transform method. Question 20. Fill in the blank. The Laplace transform pair for delta of t is dash. Answer: 1. Question 21. True or false, region of convergence cannot include poles? A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question 22. Compute the Laplace transform of unit rampart equals t ut. A. 1 divided by s square. B. 1 divided by s. C. S. D. 1 divided by s minus 1 whole square. Answer: A. 1 divided by s square. Question 23. Fill in the blank. The Laplace transform of convolution f star gate is dash. Answer: f's g's. Question 24. True or false, poles on the right half plane indicate instability? A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question 25. Find the inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by s into s plus a. A. 1 by a times 1 minus e to the power minus a t multiplied by ut. B. e to the power minus a t. C. 1 by s plus 1 by s plus a. D. 0. Answer: A. 1 by a times 1 minus e to the power minus a t multiplied by ut. Thank you.